Hello friends, I am Dr. Shishir Sinha, Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. My research area of interest are blended polymer composites, nanocomposites, polymer synthesis and modification, ion exchange, wastewater treatment, membrane separation and chemical process safety. Here I am offering a course named as Polymer Reaction Engineering, which is under the MOOC program by Government of India. Earlier, I had already offered a course entitled Chemical Process Safety and hope all of you have learned a lot from it and it was useful to better understanding about the safety aspects related to chemical process industries. Now, this polymer reaction engineering course is designed for undergraduate, postgraduate and research scholars in science engineering discipline, like for the student of chemical, polymer engineering, polymer technology, mechanical engineering, etc. This course provides a complete overview of current and future aspects in polymer engineering and science. As synthetic polymers become more and more important in 21st century for most of the applications in everyday life, the polymer with the different enhanced properties such as thermal, mechanical, chemical, they are also be needed in the developed stage in due course of time. The finished polymer product properties, they are also usually determined during the production process and therefore it is very essential to understand all the fundamental and chemistry behind the polymerization process. This course will be helpful for the polymer and chemical engineers, students and industries for the advancement of the concepts related to the polymer reaction engineering. As we know that very less amount of literatures are available in the form of articles, books, there is a need to make a comprehensive outlook of the polymer engineering in terms of reaction kinetics. The proposed course will be unique in its own kind, which not only deals with the polymer but also provides a proper explanation of reaction kinetics, reactor design, application and their properties in sequence. This is 30-hour lecture series divided into 60 lectures, 30 minutes each. In this course, various terms such as reaction initiation, propagation, termination, reaction kinetics, thermal kinetics, various methods of polymerization, molecular weight and its distribution, physical features such as microstructures, morphology, mechanical strength, etc. will be discussed. We will also discuss in detail about the polymerization process, control on polymerization synthesis, reaction engineering of step growth, radical chain growth polymerization, ionic polymerization, heterogeneous polymerization processes. We will also have an introduction to design equation for single and multiple reactions, reactor design, multiple reaction system and choice of different jobs that will be discussed in due course of time. At last, this entire lecture series will provide students a better understanding for polymerization process and technique, synthesized methods and reaction kinetics to produce a unique and modified polymers industrially. With these words, thank you very much and wish you a very good luck and hope that you will enjoy the learning of this particular course. Thanks once again.